Hi, welcome back to the channel. Little travels here, heading up to Aviemore. Yeah, I'm heading up to Aviemore, this time going to Rothiemurchus Campsite. So we'll do a little more filming once we get up there. Catch you soon. Bye. Here we are, we've reached the Rothiemurchus caravan park, the camping park as well. We have been here before, although we haven't recorded it before. It's a lovely wee site.
Well, here we are, folks. Rothiemurchus Caravan Park. Up that way, so we walk up into the Rothiemurchus estate. Really nice. We've got this front area is pretty open. We'll show you the back area just shortly. The back area is our favourite area. It's in the trees, in the forest, so it's a lot nicer. A bit darker though because there are a lot of trees around. Just as you come in or go out the gate, you've got the waste disposal point there. So that's your motorhome service point with your grey waste, black waste and fresh water. When you come in, if you drive up this way, you park in the little lay-by there. Enough room for probably three caravans, 3 motorhomes, maybe 4 motorhomes. And then there's a wee reception just up here. It's not open all the time, it's open sort of in the afternoon from about 1 o'clock to about 8 o'clock, something like that. And it's not got much in it, it's just basically a little reception area. It doesn't sell any supplies or anything like that, but it's nice. A little notice board. Not a lot on it, right enough, but couldn't get a bus timetable last night, so I could Google it. I would have expected one to be there. And just more pictures along the front, but we'll take a walk round the back way and let you see what it looks like round the back.
There's a variety of mushrooms.
You'll find lots
around the site.
Yeah, you'll find lots of mushrooms and various little bits and pieces around the site. There are statics on the site, as you'll see. It is very quiet, yeah. But just up round the back here, this is probably known as the forest section. It's just up here, this is our favourite bit. There's a camper van parked up there. Statics all round to the left. And just up through the trees up the hill there. That's where the campers go with their tents. But as I say, we like it in the forest section. A lot of shooting going on in the Rothiemurchus estate today. You might hear the shotguns. That wee pitch there is one of our favourite pitches. What pitch number is it?
68, and there's a
68.
wee stream running down into the river. Just right.
And the river's just over the back there through the trees.
It's a fabulous pitch.
There's a wee stream just at the side. It's a pity they don't have this wee bridge open. You've got to find your way across. It's probably because it's unsafe, so they've put bins in front of it. And then they've got loads of little pitches in here for more so for camper vans, I think, in this little bit. No lot of space, literally it's just a park up. You'll struggle to get an awning out. But yeah, it's lovely, it's nice. Let's go over and see if we can find a way over into the river.
We can find a way in.
And that's us just come through the trees. We came in over there. Hopefully you can hear the river behind us. Just be careful when you're coming down here. Sandra's aye, I don't know why it's a bit thingy. So here we are, the river. It's not a deep river, it's not something that you could swim in or canoe down, even when it's in spate. And it is wide, and it's really nice. But absolutely frozen cold. Most of it's melted water coming from the mountains.
We've dipped our feet in there a few times after a long walk.
Aye, it's pretty refreshing.
Yeah.
Quite painful as well.
But worth it.
Yeah. And back into the camper pitches. Wee toilet block up there. This is the only toilet block that's open. The one round the front's been closed for I don't know how long. This is a really nice one. It's got wee self-contained units. It's got a shower, toilet, wash basin. So for families, kids, you can go in with the kids. They're not left on in a shower unit on their own. So it's great from that point of view. Aye, it's nice. Clean and tidy inside as well. I won't take you inside because it is a communal as well. So there's guys and girls in there.
This gate here leads you on to a multitude of walks, mountain bike, just even, you know, kind of regular bike with strong tyres would do on these. There's loads beyond this gate. You'll be out for hours and hours and hours. Well laid paths.
And when you come at the back of the campsite, you're on one of the main paths around the Rothiemurchus estate. This one takes you up to a wee loch and just a couple of kilometres up. Really nice. You can go deeper into the mountains if you so desire, or you can nip down to Loch Eilein to the right. So this is the first split in the paths. The right path takes you up to Glen Eilein, or Enoch, and the path on the left takes you up to the Lerrig Grew. But realistically, when you get up to the top, we're going up the Glen Eilein path. When we get up to the top, if you turn to the left, you can come back down the Lerrig Grew path anyway. So they're all interconnected, but we'll go this way up to our favourite wee Lochin. So that's 2.6 kilometres in. There's a wee crossroads here. If you take the path down to the right, that takes you down to Loch Eilein. If you take the path straight on, it eventually takes you out to Loch Enoch. There's a fair bit out, and just up there you go through a gate. Once you go through a gate, the path gets a lot rougher. And then if you go that way, down to your left, takes you down to Loch Morlich. There we go. So, Eilein Bridge, back the way we came, down the campsite, Loch Enoch, Loch Eilein, Loch Morlich. But we're just going to nip up here, just a wee bit, because just at the back of these trees here, there's an absolute cracking wee Lochin. Can't remember the name of it. Can you remember the name of it?
Nope, it's got a funny name.
And a lot of people didn't notice it because they'll either turn left or right there. But there's a nice wee bit up here. We normally just sit and spend half an hour, faffing about.
Yep.
No doing too much, but relaxing.
If you've got kids at tadpole time, this is a brilliant place to bring them, because you wouldn't believe the amount of tadpoles that you'll see at the water's edge. And it literally is a 2-minute walk from that crossing there for the pathway crossing.
And here we are. Oh, it's looking very dry.
Oh my goodness! Oh,
wow.
Folks, this is normally full of water right up here.
So this is normally full of water.
Wow!
You can actually see the water over there. We'll take a wander over there. But it's normally full right up here.
Wow!
Right up to our feet here. But yeah, very empty. That's interesting. We were here in April, and down here,
oh, the tadpoles and everything.
Millions of tadpoles and wee leeches and things like that.
Yeah.
Swimming about in the water.
My goodness.
But wow, what a difference today.
So we'll just walk round to the bit where we normally sit, where our stones are, where we sit, and then we'll walk down to the water's edge for there.
Okay.
Wow.
Normally when we come to the wee Lochin, we just sit in the rock here, park the bikes just here on the path, and then...
And the water's just lapping at our feet
The
there.
water's literally right, almost right up to the rock, but yeah, it's interesting. But we'll take a walk in. Once we get in, we'll get you guys back for a wee look around. So that's us left the wee loch in. We're heading on the path along to Loch Morlick, but we're not going to Loch Morlick, we'll just along here, a couple of 100 yards, we'll cut down to the left and take the path back down to the campsite. So speak soon. And this is us coming up to the junction. The path straight ahead takes you to Loch Morlick, basically, over the old iron bridge. We're going to go down that way, which is the route back to campsite. And the road that we came along from the Rothiemurchus path, although we didn't go to Rothiemurchus today. So we'll start heading down this way back to the campsite. The path narrows a wee bit here, but it's absolutely fine. Good to walk on. And then it opens up further down once we get into the trees again. The path comes into the forest. It's quite thick, so even though the sun's out, we're kind of shaded, and well, it's windy, but certainly not in here. You'll find plenty of wee rivers, streams, burns, whatever you want to call them, around these walks. The bikers just go through the water. The walkers take the drier route. The water's quite dark, quite peaty.
Yep, it's good Scottish water for the whisky.
Aye, it makes...
Speyside, that's the type of water.
Aye, definitely. This is a wee bit just off the path. Normal river running through here, as you can see. And it's pretty much bone dry, nothing. I remember about 10 years ago we were out with our local camera club and we were up to our backside in there in water, but all very dry now. I wonder why. Felled old tree. It's been there a while, a few years. And this thing here, this is unbelievable, this thing. This has been here for as long as I can remember. You see the ants? It's an ant hill. There are millions of them. And this is us coming back to the junction that we've seen at the start of the walk, where the path forks. You'll remember this sign. So we went up that path and then walked back down this path. So it's a lovely big circular up to the wee loch and head out towards Morlick and then back down again. Ideal. Kills a couple of hours. And we're almost back to the campsite. This is an old ruined cottage. It's been like this for about 15 years that I can remember. Don't know the story, don't know the background yet. But let's lay there like that. For,
Turning right down onto the campsite. You can go along through the gates.
aye, would. If you go down, carry on down the gate, it just takes you down to the main road and the little lay-by at the gate for the campsite. We cut down this wee path, just down to the right here, and this takes us to the back gate of the campsite, which is at the toilet block that we've seen earlier. So, almost home, almost time for a coffee.
Yep.
And this is us back to our, what are we calling her? Eilein. We were having a debate this morning about what to call our motorhome. That's us back. So get the chairs out, get the kettle on, get up there, get a wee cup of coffee, and relax for a wee while, and then we'll probably head into the town. See you guys in a wee while.
So that's us. We have left Rothiemurchus. Absolutely fantastic couple of days. Weather was brilliant, so we are happy chappies. We're going to stop for breakfast at the Ralia kind of cafe, about 15 minutes from here. And yeah, wonder what we'll be doing next weekend. Have a good one. So we're almost home. Forth Road Bridge is ahead. Fair wee bit of traffic today. But it's been a nice drive, the weather's been lovely. So I'm not complaining. That'll be the end of the trip then. Just 20 minutes to maybe 15 minutes to the house from here. It's been a good one. And the Queensferry crossing. So that marks almost the end of this weekend for us. That's us about 15 minutes from home, so we will say bye for now. Ta-ta.